Welcome to Thirsties Live. We are talking about Thirsties' new Stay Dry Natural One Size All-in-One. Hi everyone, welcome to Thirsties Live. My name is Laura. I'm Thirsties' social media coordinator. And yes, lucky you guys, if you're watching this on Facebook, we are giving away a Thirsties Stay Dry Natural All-in-One to someone commenting on this video. So if you are excited about this new diaper, tell us that in the comments below. Tell us how you envision this diaper maybe fitting into your stash. And each comment on this video counts as an entry for this giveaway. So let me share with you the fabulous makeup of this new diaper. So Thirsties Stay Dry All-in-One is based off of Thirsties Natural One Size All-in-One. So both diapers, you'll notice, here I have the natural in this hand, okay? And then the Stay Dry in this hand. Okay, so you'll notice that both diapers have two soakers sewn in at the top. The Stay Dry Natural All-in-One, obviously, it has Stay Dry in it. So that top soaker has a Stay Dry layer. And then also you'll notice the whole, the whole body of the diaper. The elastics here, up by the tabs, that is all Stay Dry as well. Now I'm going to flip the camera around so I can show you guys the makeup of this diaper on the inside. Let's take a peek. All right, so this diaper has a total of 10 Thirsty layers built in. The first one, you'll notice, okay, so we have these soakers sewn in up here at the top. Give you a nice close-up look there. So this top soaker here is 4 layers of organic cotton that is then topped with that super soft micro fleece, okay? And the bonus of this too is that this is actually also stain resistant, which is really nice as well. Yes, the fleece lining definitely is going to cut down if you have any edge wear problem in your washing machine. It's definitely going to make it a little more durable compared to our natural all-in-one. So you'll notice just an up-close difference here. So here's the natural, right? There's the Stay Dry. Okay, so we've got 4 layers in that top soaker, and that's actually a difference here. This is cotton, so this is going to absorb quickly on top and then draw in that moisture into the rest of the diaper. That second soaker here, this is Thirsties' signature hemp cotton blend, okay? So can you believe that's 4 layers there? Look at how trim. Now, one thing that you'll notice is that this second soaker is a little wider than the top. Why did we do that? Because as you wash this soaker will shrink a bit, okay? So, yep, exactly, Eva. It'll help, it helps account for any shrinking that will happen, okay? So 4 layers there, and then take a look at the body of this diaper. First off, can we just appreciate how soft that looks? Like, especially like having that Stay Dry along the hips too, that's going to be key for a lot of kiddos who have wetness sensitivity. All the Stay Dry along the elastics. And then there are 2 more layers of organic cotton here, okay? It is super soft, you're right. So if you're keeping track, that's 10 layers of really soft, Stay Dry absorbency. All right. So let's talk a little bit about price point and care and use for this diaper. So this diaper is just $1 more than our natural all-in-one. So this diaper is going to retail for $27.95. And just like our natural all-in-one or our hemp pre-folds or our bamboo fitteds, any natural fiber product you get from Thirsties, you're going to want to wash and dry it 3 times before expecting it to be fully absorbent. Now, one of our groupies on Instagram was kind of confessing a little and saying that she sometimes cheats on prepping her natural diapers, and she just washes them once and adds some extra boosters in them for the next couple of uses until they're fully prepped. Hey, you do you. But just don't don't wash this one time and put it on your baby and expect it to hold up overnight. Not going to happen, right? So you want to prep this fully. And let's take a look at that, Heather. So these are super slim. You're right. And since they're so slim, the fit, getting a really nice fit with these is going to be super easy too. Yeah, I was really pleased that adding the microfleece didn't really add bulk. So that, yeah, it is quite trim. So you do want to wash these 3 times before use. And then that is the same once you've prepped this. And you can prep diapers with t-shirts, with towels. You can just throw it in with your regular laundry to prep it, okay? Perfect for your heavy wetter. Yeah, and the thing too that's nice about that is that there's definitely room for extra inserts here. So if you need to grab additional, maybe our hemp inserts would work really nice here. If you need to add additional inserts, you totally have room for it too. So just like, also, let me show off a little bit the one size aspect of it. So if you're new to cloth diapering, the way that you size a diaper is by snapping in these rise snaps. So the snaps that are here in the front, see those gray? Those are rise snaps. And what you do to size your diaper is you snap those rise snaps up. Any extra material you have, you're going to tuck under like so and kind of tuck up here. This is easier to tuck up at the legs when you're doing it on an actual baby. Okay. And so this is designed to fit kiddos approximately 8 to 40 pounds. Okay, so the fit of these is going to be very, very similar, if not identical, to our natural all-in-one. Okay, so that's how it'll fit. A newborn stash, planning on a newborn all-in-one overnight. Yeah, so these aren't available in newborn size yet. We kind of wanted to get this out and test it and see what you guys think, but here it is sized all the way down. Okay, pretty small. Let me close up this other one so I can show you what that looks like sized all the way down. So when these take off and sell well, you know they will. Yeah, so coming out with a whole new product line it's definitely something that, we take seriously, and we kind of want to see how things do. So these initially aren't available in hook and loop. They're available in our best-selling prints. So here it is sized all the way out. Actually, well, obviously the waist is snapped all the way in, but you can see the height difference. So rise snaps all the way in, rise snaps all the way out. Okay. So yes, they're not available in hook and loop yet. any new prints that we come out with, we'll definitely release in this diaper. And we're really excited just to get this out to you guys and see what you think. So if you are, if you're a YouTuber, if you're a blogger and you buy this diaper and you decide to do a review, please do email your review to either me, Laura, at thirstiesbaby.com, or you could email support@thirstiesbaby.com and send your reviews. We want to know what you guys think. If you create any content using this diaper, we'd really be curious to hear your feedback. So do let us know, okay? Okay, decide by November. You're funny. So there we go. If anyone, the print I just showed. Oh yes, this is Forest Frolic. It is, I love it. And I think I've become a very big fan of snails. And look at that guy. He's so cute. Okay, so did I miss anything? Do you guys have any other questions? Let me know. If I didn't answer your questions in this live, because look at you guys are only in snaps. That's right, Ariel. If you do have more questions, do please ask them. I'll need to get out Google Translate, or I need my friend Janellis, who speaks Spanish, to answer that question. We will definitely look that up and get your question answered there. Thirsties International, guys. It's awesome. So, let me know. Yes, $27.95 is how much this is going to be recommended to be sold for. And can you review the prints coming out again? Oh, I will put a comment in this live with a picture of all the prints that it'll come out in. Okay? So I'll go and be sure to do that. So, thank you guys for watching. While I have your attention, next week's live is going to be really great for anyone who is thinking about cloth diapering, but they're not really quite sure if it'll be right for them. We're going to take a look at diapering cloth versus disposable, kind of the pros and cons of each, just trying to give people a reference of how to make that choice. So Ashley's asking, is the price, is this, so the natural all-in-one is $26.95. The Stay Dry all-in-one is $27.95. Okay, so just $1 more for adding that extra component of the microfleece, and also changing up the soakers and things like that. So there you go. Oh yes, how much money? Yeah, I'll have to calculate that, Emily, when I'm comparing like disposable versus cloth. So, new mom, love Thirsties. Thank you so much for joining us. That's great. All right, guys, I am going to be heading off. We'll, of course, post this video on YouTube tomorrow morning. So if you have anyone that might be interested in this diaper, but they're not on Facebook, we will post this on YouTube for them. So be sure to check that out. It always helps if our YouTube videos get a little bit of love from our fans when they release. So if you guys are looking for something to do tomorrow morning, we would love to see you over on YouTube. All right, folks. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you later. Happy cloth diapering.